Hi guys, another 3D print in progress. It's a lobster I found on Pinterest, or at least I found the file for doing a laser cut version. I've got no construction diagram, but I think I can work out where some of the bits go. Like that bit. The gaps for them to slot together aren't going to be quite right, so I'm going to have to glue them, which is always a bad thing, because if you get it wrong, you're stuck when you've got to take it apart again. But I'm pretty confident that one goes there. So that's a start. Then across the back here, well, I'm just gonna have to guess. I'm thinking biggest ones up at this end, and then getting smaller towards the back. That's not my grandchildren outside making the noise, that's next door neighbour. And to be quite honest, it's quite pleasant, because instead of me getting upset about my kids making a noise, or my grandkids, it's somebody else has got the problem. I would say if this is the same as the Woodcraft one, it's significantly smaller than it should be. Well, we'll find out. I have been on the lookout for one of these, kept my eye open, because one of my YouTube friends, Lynn Hemian, who lives up in Nova Scotia, and the local fishermen catch lobsters. So he'd asked me if I could do one. That was a long time ago he asked me. But when I spotted this one, I thought I'd give it a go. Definitely not quite right. I think there was another page, because I think he's short of a few legs. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.